Fiverr has over 1 billion active users, and for many of them, it's the go-to app for daily communication, including interactions with brands. So if you're not using it on your WordPress site, you are missing out on potential customers every single day. But that ends today. In this video, I'll show you how to easily add a Fiverr chat widget to your WordPress site with WP Social Ninja in just a few minutes. Let's get started. WP Social Ninja is available on the WordPress repository and is super easy to install and activate. After installing the plugin, head over to your WP Social Ninja dashboard and open the Chat Widgets section. Now, click on Create Chat Widget. From here, select Add New Channel and you will see all the available platforms. To connect to Fiverr, simply choose Fiverr. This will take you to the connection setup. Now just enter your Fiverr phone number with the country code. Click Save and you are all set. Now, here's the good part. You are not just adding a Fiverr chat widget, you are fully controlling how it looks and behaves on your site. So let's go step by step through the customization options. In order to select your perfect templates, click on the right sidebar and then click on the template button. You'll see a drop-down with different options. Go ahead and choose the one that suits your website best. Next, let's move to something more important, your chat header. This is where you control the first impression of your chat widget. Edit the name, caption, and even upload your profile picture to match your brand. So whether you want it to feel more personal or more branded, this is where you shape that identity. Now let's talk about the welcome message. This is the first message your visitors will see when they open the chat. So make it friendly and clear, something like this. Moving forward, we have the channel buttons. It controls how users interact with your chat. You can toggle the icon and customize the button text to match your brand. Small tweak, but it can have a big impact on engagement. Now, let's switch to the chat bubble button. This is the floating button visitors click to start a conversation. Here you can change the icon, upload a custom one, and even add a short message like need help or let's talk. And if we go into settings, this is where things get even more powerful. Now, you are not just styling it, you are controlling how it behaves. You can adjust the chat position, set the language to communicate with users in their native language, and choose exactly where the chat appears, whether that's specific pages, posts, or even product pages. You also have control over which devices it shows on and when it should be visible with scheduling. This is especially useful if you are a small business owner and can't stay online at all the time. You can set a clear availability so visitors know when to expect a response. In the Style tab, you can easily customize the look of your Fiverr chat widget. For the header, there are options for header background color, header title color, and header caption color. You can also adjust colors for the channel icon, bubble button, and even the close button. So, you don't have to worry about styling or matching your website design. There are plenty of options here to make it fit perfectly. In Central and Eastern Europe and the Philippines, Fiverr is often the primary messaging app. Not just another one, and brands are already seeing strong results, like Premier Group achieving a 401% increase in sales using Fiverr. In today's competitive market, speed matters. If you are not ready to respond quickly, you can lose potential customers. So, the goal of this video was simple, to show you how easily you can set up the Fiverr chat widget on your WordPress site. In just a few minutes, you can add it, customize it, and get ready for real conversions. Now, it all comes down to one thing, connecting with the right customer at the right time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.